Jersey number 4, Rodal, 2 points. Easy 2 points for Rodal. Ayun to. Jersey number 18 to jersey number 20. Gimataw pa! Number 20. Rabusa. Rabusa to tingab-gab. Ligago. Foul. Last 2 out of 3. Cayetona. Rodriguez back to Cayetona. Cayetona to Bacharpa. In favor of Purok Tres, La Verdad. Quirol to Tingabgab. Tingabgab to Libago. Libago for 3. Wala. Rebound by Bacharpa. 4 minutes and 30 seconds for the last and final quarter. Jersey number 18. Jersey number 13, Quirol. Quirol, aliyop to jersey number 18. Nice pass, pero wala. Rebound by Udal. Udal foul. Jersey. 0 out of 2. Rebound by Rodriguez. To jersey number 22. Foul.